Hi, it's Brett, the herbalist, and today we're back in the kitchen with one of my favourites, which is another super simple salad. And this one's an Indian capsicum salad. And we've got some raw garlic and onion and olive oil, lemon lime dressing to go on this, which makes it really tangy and really interesting to taste. And to eat the raw capsicum like this is a real treat. It's quite hard to eat green capsicum raw normally, but in the salad it's absolutely delicious. All right, so let's show you how it's done. So here's the ingredients: some tomatoes, cucumber, broccoli, lemon, lime, capsicum, onion and garlic. So we're going to start with the broccoli. All we need to do here is take it down to little bite-sized pieces. So you need to break off every little floret, and then some of them you might need to just chop in half as well, just to get them down to bite size. And these we want to soften up a little bit, so we're just going to put some water over these and put them on to simmer. Now we're only going to want to put these over a low heat, so while we're preparing the other stuff, this will be ready about the right time. So yeah, just leave those probably 5-10 minutes to simmer down. Next we'll look at the cucumber. So again, we just want to make everything into bite-sized pieces really for the salad. So get the cucumber down into those, and then a bit of salt and the colander, and this will just bring out the juice a little bit from the cucumber. Yeah, and you just see I dropped the broccoli over the top of that because that was soft. Now we're just going to make our dressing. Now this is really tangy, and you'll think this is going to be too strong, but it's actually really delicious. So the olive oil, the lime juice, you could use lemon if you haven't got limes. And then we're just going to crush the garlic and the ginger. You won't get much out of the ginger, but it's just a little bit of extra flavour. And you can actually chop the ginger finely into the dressing if you wanted to get a bit more ginger flavour. So with the green capsicum, just going to take the seeds out, and again get this down to bite-sized chunks for the salad. Alright, so yeah, I'll start putting this in the bowl now. Same with the tomato, down to bite-sized chunks. I only needed 2 large tomatoes here. If you've got smaller ones, you might need 3 or 4. And same with the onion. I use just half an onion, half a large onion, but you might want a whole small onion. And then we're just going to combine everything together. So it's really, really simple, the salad. Put the onion over the top, and lastly, the dressing. And you could add some avocado to this if you like to make it a bit more fat content. But basically, there you go. Delissimo.